G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Here we've got a 1996 Nissan 180SX in candy red. I've already drilled the base. We're just going to flick another set of wheels on there. We're going to just do a quick mod like that there. So if you got dad and the young fella at home that want to mess with wheels and play around with it there, dad can do the drilling like there, and the young bloke can end up swapping the wheels without doing any paint work. This one here's got not too bad a tampos on the back of it, and reason why I like this car is it's red. We've actually got this car available on our website, will be soon, and these are the wheels that are going to go on there. We get the lighting right a bit better, that way you can actually see them. Thank you. Wow, see, that took a bit. Alright, so these are Bridgestone Potentas, these are Comold, these are all plastic. Rim and wheel, tyre, if you want to call it that way. Yep, so here we go, we're going to whack these on this one here. On the Nissan 180SX, just say. Drill the base. And there we go. There's him there, drilled up. We'll screw him back together later on. Just doing this, just so you can see what these wheel kits look like and how easy they are to fit on. Right, that on there gently. Same dealy bob as before with the other ones. Some of these are actually a little bit looser than other ones, which makes them a little bit easier to get in and out. So some of them you don't have to go too over the top with the pins. Like, I'll just see if we can see that there. Look at the pins, they're hardly holding that axle there, which is a good thing for popping them out, because you can just basically go underneath in the middle there now, and bing, in your hand. Same as with this here, same as that there, just gently, ping, pop, beauty. This is going to be a quick job. Well, this will have to be the quickest video I've done in history, I think. Let's not get too carried away before we start messing around and getting sidetracked. Yeah, both the sets are in, bam bam. And axles don't have to be cut, they're actually pretty good size, they're not hanging out too far. Wheels aren't going out too far. Alright, get it onto here. Let's get onto there. Let's see what's going on here. Let's whack him in. Bam bam, clip clip. Oh, look at that. Doesn't she look hot now? Let's get rid of those. Put that on there. Put them down there. And that's made a huge difference. It actually looks, them rims actually suit that quite cool. I don't actually mind that colour. All I'm going to do with this car later on is get the thinners and take the Hotwheels tampos off the back quarter panels. And I'm just going to do a bit of dressing up around it, around the things, man, because it's split. Yeah, I'll do a few other things. You see the black's really worn off there, and yeah, haven't been doing too much with it myself. But we'll probably take all of that off and dress it up in a few other, and do a bit of highlighting on the front, bits and pieces, and probably try and fix the highlighting on the taillights. At least I won't touch the tampos in the middle of the. I won't touch the tampos in the middle there though, but I'll fix the taillights and the rest of it. But yeah, thanks for watching. They'll be on our website soon. They're cool, they're Comold, they're all plastic. Rim and tyre is plastic, but they're all pre-made. Bang bang, see how quick they're done. Alright, have a good day folks, thanks for watching, stopping by. We'll be back again soon with a few more. Take care.